afternoon, fellas. Ferocious Big Town here. And I'm rolling. I am on my way to Alabama. Right now I'm in the corrupt state, the most corrupt state in the Union, Illinois. And I'm rolling. Pretty nice day. Everything kind of went off without a hitch, even though I was a little late to get the load up because I went to the wrong gate. But I rectified that, got to the right gate, got the product, and now I'm on my way. So I said, let me give you all a quick video, let you know where I'm at, what I'm doing, feeling good. Got up this morning, went to the gym because my road time was at 11, the gym was going to be 6, so got up, went to the gym around 7, stayed there for about an hour and 20 minutes, with them PO box, picked up my things out of there, my mail and things, and got my truck ready, got my trailer ready, got my load. So pretty successful morning, feeling pretty good, and now I'm rolling. So I'm gonna come to you all with a video. So I've been watching videos when I was at the customer getting loaded. It took about an hour and a half, so I'm watching videos like I normally do. And I came across one that's basically saying that Emmitt Smith, the great Emmitt Smith, the running back Hall of Famer, is getting his wife filed for divorce. So I don't know much about her. I've seen a picture of her. She's an attractive lady. For her age, I hear she's like 49 or whatever. And I'm getting the information that Emmitt is pretty much devastated. But hey, this is what they do, bro. I mean, like, you worth all that kind of money. I don't know. I'm gonna look up his net worth, but you can't be worth all this type of money and think that you're gonna marry these women and that they're gonna be that they're in this because they love you and want to keep a legacy going and keep make a dynasty. These women ain't concerned with making dynasties. They're concerned with leveling up and getting them for his money. I'm sure that lady been hanging around and watching videos and hanging around people. That's all they talk about is level up now. And level up means do you, but get some sucker's money. That's what level up means. Do you go out here, get on the carousel, right? Get your back blowed out, but you need to have, you need to acquire some suckers' provisions. So it's like the best of both worlds to them. You get their back blown out by several carousel fixtures, and they got money coming in from a sucker. So I feel pretty bad for the brother, but hey, it is what it is at this point. You know what I mean? And then I come to find out that this is Martin Lawrence, the comedian's ex-wife. What? Dude, you Emmitt Smith. I did not know that. I haven't been following these celebrities. I don't really follow them like that. In fact, I don't follow them at all, to be honest with you. But you Emmitt Smith, man, everybody know you. You could have went somewhere and got a virgin. Why would you go get somebody else sloppy seconds? Here, come to find out she was a Miss Virginia or Miss USA pageant participant. Okay, that's cool, but why you just didn't smash and dash on her? You gonna marry somebody's sloppy seconds, and now she divorced. I don't know what the situation happened with him or her and Martin Lawrence, but now she probably got Martin Lawrence money. Now she married Emmitt Smith. Now she finna divorce him and get his money. Man, you think the women ain't? I bet the women around the world, these strags, right? I bet get to, they are celebrating. They finna be going out to clubs. They finna be going out to get drinks. They finna be going out to coffee shops, and they finna be chopping it up about how this level up game is working to perfection. They're gonna be idolizing this heifer, whatever her damn name is. She's been able to get 2 high-powered, super ultra successful men, black men at that, and get a chance to marry not 1 but 2, and divorce both of them and get their money. I don't know what she must be super wicked. She gotta be super wicked because she truly can't go nowhere but down from here. I can't see lightning striking 3 times and she can find another ultra successful black man that'll be willing to marry her after seeing her get 2 divorces to 2 powerful men. So she gotta get on the carousel. And I guess she feel like forgetting. Maybe she didn't get to ride the carousel in her younger days and she feel like she missed out on something. Well, now she can go ride the carousel until they just basically split her up the middle. Right? She got money to sew her back up from these 2 wealthy men. I can't see lightning striking 3 times. I can't see it. But women are finna deify this heifer. All these strags, they're gonna hold up as the goddess of the strags. They're gonna all be looking to do this. I feel bad for brothers of any hue, of any race, of any ethnicity. I feel bad for y'all if y'all don't know about red pill philosophy. Because y'all finna get, man, these women finna act a fool. They finna, the Jada situation and the situation with her entanglement and Will just being a cuck. With that, along with this other horse-faced strag that Dr. Dre was married to, she finna divorce rape him, and now this chick finna divorce rape Emmitt Smith. Man, these women, dude, these suckers are out celebrating. So all these 2, 3s, and 4s and 5s gonna think that they can go out here and level up. Hey, I'm gonna do my part and shoot their ass down, because you ain't getting a dime from me. Most I'm gonna give you is a chicken, is a sandwich or something. I'm not making no commitments to no westernized women, period. Now, I go overseas and I think about it because over there they don't have all these divorce laws and family court and all this WIC and EBT and food stamps and what's the other shit? Section 8 and CETA program, pay your light bill, pay your first month's rent. They ain't got all them programs over in Africa, so the women over there, they got to fend for themselves. They either get with them a good man or they stay with their family and their family take care of them. That's it. Either that or they marry out. So I wouldn't dare bring them back over here. Hell no. No, sir. So yeah, I figured I'd come on here, guys, and give y'all a short video and just kind of let you know my thoughts after seeing Emmitt Smith. I mean, he's a beloved person. I mean, I really like Emmitt Smith. I used to love seeing him break those tackles. He was a real dynamo. I'll see there was a few dynamos that I really respected. Barry Sanders, Emmitt Smith, Walter Payton, Earl Campbell for a minute, Dickerson. Can't think of Dickerson's first name. Eric Dickerson. He was a dynamo. Pretty much all I got there, like people like Franco Harris. Those were dynamos, man. You know, it took 3, 4 guys to bring them down. You know what I guess what? Now her name is in the headlines, right? Now people are talking about her. People are Googling her. People are looking up her life now. Gonna find out she wrote a couple books. I don't know what they is. I never seen her on the book circuit. She ain't sit on the morning talk shows talking about her book, so she's a nobody as far as I'm concerned, and I'm sure that probably bothers her because she didn't win a beauty contest, right? Now she 50, right at 50, knocking on 50. You know, ain't no more contest for you, sweetie. The only thing for you is car care sale and probably, you know, 4 or 5 different venereal diseases. Some of them you can't get rid of. That's what's waiting on her. You know what I mean? Because getting another high value man is not going to work. Your whole history's out on the internet now. Your whole history's out in the public. So how you going to be able to attract another high power man? So that ain't going to work. As a matter of fact, that you've been able to get these guys money. So now you probably at the point where you don't even need no high power men. So now what you probably going to go for is young, youthful men, and then they gonna split you up the middle and give you something. And it's probably gonna be the last time we see you. It's probably gonna fade. Probably like somebody was saying, like the first year, year and a half, 2 years, maybe 3, is gonna be her best years. Once she gets divorced. After that, she's gonna fall off into obscurity. We'll never hear from her again. Serves her right. And Emmitt Smith on the flip side, he's gonna be devastated for the next couple years. But basically his next 30, 40 years is gonna be fucking fabulous because he has cemented his fame and his celebrity. And he's gonna always be Emmitt Smith. No matter how old he get, how fat he get, right? Same thing with Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson still is a beloved figure. It is what it is. But it's a lesson for us guys. Hey, these women think they're going to be able to level up. These 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. These subpar, super below average, obese women who think that they can level up. I can't wait to shoot them down. Can't wait. Can't give me time of day for me, and I can have on 5 watches. What time is it, sir? I have no idea. But you got on 5 watches? Oh, they all broke, sweetie. Sorry. Get your old beast ass out of here. But anyway, guys, just want to bring y'all a quick one. I'll come back a little later once I get ready to take my break or so, or if I see something else interesting when I cross the state line, might see something else interesting to let you guys know. But keep in mind, guys, I'm on my way to Alabama. And I'm in Illinois on my way to Alabama. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are doing well. Wish you more money. Hope y'all are getting on top of your bread. You dig? Hope you're on top of your health. And remember, health is wealth. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Peace and hair grease.